Yeah, very good morning to one and all. Today we will discuss a topic that is a non-linear equation or non-linear function. So last day we discussed nothing but the previous day. So in the previous class we have discussed about that function. So what is meant by function and what are the types of functions? So little bit we discussed about only linear function. So can anybody can tell me that what is meant by function and what is meant by linear function? Yes, please. Can anybody tell me that what is meant by function and what is meant by non-function or linear function?
Relationship
morning.
between variable and
Say the relation
independent.
between the function nothing but the relationship between the variables, that is dependent variable and that is independent
Non-dependent.
variables.
Independent.
So what is meant by linear function?
Whose power value is equal to 1.
Linear function is the one whose power value is equal to 1, that is called
One.
linear function. So for example is equal to y is equal to mx plus c or y is equal to
Max plus.
a plus bx, or sometimes we can write y is equal to x plus c or y is equal to x plus 6 or 4 or 3 something. So when we are writing a x power is equal to 1, that should be called as a linear function. So therefore today we will discuss a topic that is non-linear function. Non-linear function. The screen is visible for you? Screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. So today we will discuss a topic that is a non-linear function. So what is meant by non-linear function? Can anybody tell me that what is meant by non-linear function?
Whose power value is not equal to 1.
So here non-linear function is the one whose power value is not equal to 1. It's not equal to nothing but it may be more than 1 also. We can say that. So non-linear function is the one whose power value is more than 1 also, not equal to 1 or more than 1. That is called non-linear function. Non-linear function. For example, you can take an example that is a non-linear equation. See a non-linear function, that is a y is equal to 2x square plus 4x plus 2. So here the power value is not equal to 2, not equal to 1, nothing but it may be more than 1. So here another example, y is equal to 4x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. So here the power value is not equal to 1, nothing but it is more than 1. That is called non-linear function. Non-linear function. So here, see, within the non-linear function, there are two types of functions, mainly two types of functions. So there are other types of functions also there in the non-linear, but in our syllabus, we have limited syllabus. So here in the non-linear function, mainly there are two types of functions. There are two types, mainly two types. First one is a quadratic function. Okay. Second one is a cubic function. Cubic. So along with these two, there are other types of functions also there in the non-linear, such as polynomial, fourth one the rational, and fifth one is the power function. So here in the non-linear function, there are certain types of there. So there are two types. There is a quadratic function and cubic function. So sometimes some people may have the doubt that when the power value is more than 3, what it calls? Okay, generally we can call the power function or polynomial function. Polynomial function or power function. So here, what is quadratic function? What is quadratic function is a function whose power value is equal to 2. Whose power value is equal to 2. Quadratic nothing but only 2. Okay. So quadratic function is a one whose power value is equal to 2. That is called quadratic function. Example, y is equal to 2x square plus 4x plus 6. Here, how much the power value is here? How much power value is here?
2.
2 only. So,
Two.
when the power value is equal to 2, that function is said to be quadratic function. Quadratic function. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So then we'll go through in depth. And then cubic function. What is cubic function? Cubic function is the one whose power value is equal to 3.
Cube.
Whose power value is
3.
equal to 3. That is called cubic function. Cube. For example, when you're writing something also, x power cube or x square nothing but quadratic x cube. That is called cubic function. So we can write y is equal 4x cube plus 5x square plus 6x plus 7. For example, if you take, okay, so here how much the power value? We could not bother about this 4 and 5 and 6. Only we could bother about so 3 and 2. Okay, here the x power value is equal to 3. So we cannot bother about 2 here. So here 3 is there and 2 is there. Don't confuse that. This is up to this one quadratic, up to this one cubic. So when the power value is highest, we should consider that one only. So here in the above, the power value is highest is 2. That is quadratic function. Here the power value is highest is 3. Therefore, this function is said to be cubic function. This function is said to be cubic function. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So generally you can remember once again repeating that quadratic function is the one whose power value is equal to 2. That is called quadratic function. Then cubic function means the cubic function is the one whose power value is equal to 3. That is called cubic function. Cubic function. So sometimes we have that power function and polynomial. When the power value is high, nothing but more than 3. So we can say that power functions are polynomial functions. Okay. So this is very important in our syllabus. That is a nonlinear function, and within the nonlinear there are two types, mainly quadratic and cubic function. So, for example, in the last day we discussed about that line, the straight line. For example, if you take the linear curve or linear function curve is a straight line curve. But whereas a nonlinear function, for example, when we have the nonlinear equation, at what type of diagram we will get it? At what diagram shape or how the shape of the line, whether it is a linear or the straight line or it may be curvilinear. Curvilinear. So here I'm going to show you that, for example, by taking that quadratic equation, okay, you can take a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. So generally mathematics people, those who have the mathematics background, so we will write like also quadratic function f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so this is also quadratic function. So I'm going to take an example that y is equal to 2x square plus 4x minus 2 minus 2. So is it quadratic function or cubic function or linear function? Yes, please.
Quadratic function.
Quadratic. Okay, quadratic function. So here we need to know that whether what type of diagram or what type of line we will get it, whether it is a straight line or whether it is a curvilinear. So generally we will take into consider whatever we have done. For example, we need to assume that here if x is equal to 0, then y is equal to how much? So generally we are going to get this is x value, this is a y value. So when x is equal to 0, how much y value? So how much y value we will get it? So we need to substitute x value in the x place. Okay. 4 into 0 minus 2. So as it is, you can take 2. 0 into 0, 0. 4 into 0, 0 minus 2. So here 0 into 0, 2 into 0, 0 plus 0 minus 2. So if you had all those things, so here these are zeros now. So you should take minus 2. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then x is equal to 1, y is equal to how much? 2 into 1 square plus 4 into 1 minus 2, right? So 2, as it is, you can take 2. 1 into 1, 1 plus 4 into 1, 4 minus 2. So 2 into 1, 2 plus 4 minus 2. So here when we had 4 into 6, 2 into 4, 6 minus 2. Or else simply if you cancel plus 2 and minus 2 also, you will get 4. Okay. Is it clear? When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I understood, please, all the people, those who don't have the mathematical background, so let me know that whether you have understood or not. I will, or else I will re-explain. Explain again. Yeah, please. Afrin, please respond.
I got that. Yeah. Yes.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Bobby, Bobby Amala. Hello.
Baby, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
I'm not getting you properly. Have you understood? అర్థమైందా?
అంటే
హలో
తెలుగులో మాట్లాడొచ్చా? తెలుగులో
హలో
మాట్లాడొచ్చా సార్?
వాయిస్ వినపడలేదమ్మా. అమలా
సార్
అర్థమైందా?
అంటే తెలుగులో మాట్లాడొచ్చా సార్?
నో ప్రాబ్లం.
సార్ అంటే నాది ఆర్ట్స్ సార్, కొంచెం ప్రాబ్లం సార్.
అదేనమ్మా నేనేమంటున్నానంటే మీకు
అంటే కొంచెం అర్థం
నాన్
అవుతుంది సార్.
మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ అంటే మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ లేని వాళ్ళు ఏమైనా అర్థమైందా, అర్థం కాలేనా, లేదంటే రిపీట్ చేస్తాను అంటారు.
అర్థం అవుతుంది సార్.
ఇక్కడ ఈక్వేషన్ అర్థమైందా? ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 వచ్చిన y ఎట్లా వచ్చింది?
వింటున్నా సార్, ఇంకోసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి సార్.
ఓకే, రైట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. దెన్ అనిత.
ఓకే సార్.
అనిత, దివ్యశ్రీ, సండ్రస, జ్యోతి, జాస్మిన్. హలో
Sir, I understood.
ఓకే. పావని, రవిరాజ్, ఊర్మిళ.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
మోటో, వందన.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So see, for example, I'm explaining again. See, when x is equal to 1, y is equal to how much? For example, sometime they will give the equation like this. So they may ask the question, if x is equal to 1, how much y value? If x is equal to -1 also, they may ask the question. So if x is equal to 1, y is equal to how much? Simple, we can substitute in this equation, right? So I'm writing, see, 2x square plus 4x minus 2. So instead of x, you can put 1. X place lo 1 bettandi. Okay, x place lo 1 bettadi automatically. Next you can take. So as it is, you can take 2. Okay, so 1 square. What is 1 whole square? 1 into 1. 1 into 1 nothing but 1. Okay, so 1 into 1 square nothing but 1 whole square nothing but 1 into 1. That is the 2, 1 plus as it is 4 into 1, 4 minus 2 minus 2. Okay, so then 2 into 1, 2 plus 4 as it is, you can take minus 2 as it is. So you can plus 2 here, minus 2 can cancel, or else you can add the plus values here. Plus 2, 6. Plus 2 plus 4, that is 6 minus 2. So when you subtract 6 like 2 both, automatically you will get 4. Still are we confusing anything? What is your name?
No, sir.
Yeah, please. Amala.
Sir.
Yeah, we got it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then x is equal to 2. X is equal to how much? Y value. Okay, simple again. See, 2x square plus 4x
14, sir.
minus 2. So simple here you can take as it is 2. Instead of x you can put 2. 2 whole square plus 4
Square.
into 2 minus 2. Then as it is you can take 2. 2 into 2 4 plus 4 into 2 8 minus 2. So here 2 into 4
14, sir. Answer.
plus 8 minus 2. So here you can add the positive values. 6 into 6, sorry, 8 into 8, 16 minus 2. So when you subtract this minus 2 from 16, you will get 14, right? So here 2, you get 14, right? Then if x is equal to 3, okay, x is equal to 3, y is equal to how much? Okay, then simple, I am going to substitute 2, 3 whole square plus 4 into 3 minus 2. Okay, so 2 as it is, you can take 3 into 3, 9. Okay, remember this, I am repeating 3 whole square, nothing but 3 into 3. Okay, plus 4 into 3, 12 minus 2. 2 into 9, 18 plus 2, 12 minus 2. So when you add these two things, you will get 30 minus 2. So therefore you will get it 28. 28. Still anybody have the doubt regarding to this one? Up to now? Yes, please. So if you have any doubt, let me know. Okay. Then sometimes, for example, they may ask the question that when the x is equal to negatives, for example, x value may be negative, what will happen? Okay. For example, here, see, x is equal to minus 1. Y is equal to how much? Simple, y is equal to 2x square plus 4x plus minus 2. Sorry, minus 2. So then you can substitute the minus 1 in the place of x. So as it is, you can take minus 1 whole square plus 4 minus 1 minus 2. Okay. Then 2 as it is, you can take 2. Here minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1. See, minus
Plus 1.
1 whole square. It means minus 1 into minus 1. So generally, see, the non-mathematics people, minus into minus plus 1 into 1, 1. So here 1 will come. Okay. Then plus into minus, minus 4 into 1, 4 minus 2. So 2 into 1, 2 minus 4 minus 2. So when you add the negative values, 2 and here minus 6. So you will get how much? You will get it minus 4. Minus 4. When x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 4. Non-mathematics, Amala and other people, have you understood that how we can get it this plus value and minus value?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see, I am going to write, see, remember, you can write also. Yeah, here I'm writing plus into plus is equal to plus. Remember, minus into minus is equal to plus. Minus into plus is equal to minus. Plus into minus is equal to minus. So please remember, plus into plus, plus, minus into minus, plus, minus into plus, minus, plus into minus, minus. Is it clear? Still, do you have any doubt regarding this one?
No, sir.
Okay. So then next you can take, if x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to how much? So 2x square, y is equal to plus 4x minus 2. Okay. So here 2, as you can take minus 2 whole square plus 4 minus 2 minus 2. So as you can take 2 minus 2 into minus 2 plus 2 into 2 4. That is a plus 4 So here plus into minus, minus 4 into 2, 8, as it is minus we can do. So here 2 into 4, 8 minus 8 minus 2. So here if you cancel plus 8 minus 8 cancel, or else you can get minus 2. Okay, if you cancel like this, or else if you had minus values, minus 8 and minus 10, minus 2 minus 10, so you will get minus 2, same. Okay, then here minus 2 minus 2. Here if x is equal to minus 2, then y is equal to minus. If x is equal to 3, how much? Minus 3, how much you will get y value? So x is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to how much? So 2x square plus 4x minus 2 is equal to 2 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 3 minus 2. Okay, then 2 as you can take minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9. Plus into minus, minus 4 into 3, 12 minus 2. Then 2 into 9, 18. So you can add these two negative values. Okay, then 14, right? So you will get 4 plus value. Okay, plus 4, plus 4. So have you taken the notes, please? Or have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So after getting the results of if x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 to minus 1 to minus 3 and plus 1 to plus 3, then we need to know that whether what kind of graph you will get it, whether the straight line or the non-straight line, nothing but curvilinear, right? So we will take that this spot and we will do it. Is it clear? Is it over? Are you taking this one, this spot?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I'm going to erase this one. That's why I'm saying. Yeah. Yeah. See, as you know the graph paper. So just you can take a straight line. Okay, I may not take because these are the okay. This is x-axis. This is the y-axis. Okay. So it depends on the values you may take. That is 30 is the highest in the y-axis. Here x value is only 1. So you may take 5. It is enough. 5 to 6. Okay. So this is y value 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 28. So x value is 1. You can take 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So same thing you will take minus value also. 5, 10, 15. So here minus value we have only 4. No need. Minus 10, minus 15. Same thing you will take left side one. So 1. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay. So next you can take yeah. So see, if x is equal to 0, how much y value? Yes, please. You should respond, all the people.
Minus 2.
Minus 2. So here x is equal to 0. Okay. Y is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 in the sense where we will get it? Somewhere here, right? Okay. So
Yes.
okay. Then x is equal to 1. How much y value?
4.
4. So x is equal to 1. Y value is equal to 4. This is a plus side, right? So you will get like this. Okay. Then x is equal to how much y value?
14.
14.
So somewhere here you will get it, right? Then x is equal to 3. How much y value?
28.
30 here. Somewhere we'll get it here. Okay. So here it should be right 30. Okay. Here in the upper level. So then next is equal to -1. How much y value?
-4.
-4. It
Minus
seems
4.
that here it comes, right? This is a -1. This is -4, right? Then x is equal to -2. How much y value? -2. Okay. Right? Yeah. Then x is equal to -3. How much y value?
+4.
4, right? So here you should get it.
Yeah.
Here 3 is the plus value. Okay. Then you should add all the values. You should add all the points. Sorry, all the points. See here we got from here.
Parabola.
Yes, please. So after getting this line, for example, if you have that space for this line, so here you should write that is y is equal to 2x square plus 4x minus 2. Okay, whatever you can the line. So here you can write y is equal to 2x square plus 4x minus 2. So what kind of shape we got it?
Parabola.
Yes, is it straight line or non-straight line?
Non-straight.
Non-straight.
So you see, generally you can remember that when we have the powers values in the equation, we should not get a straight line. We should not get any straight line. When we have the linear function only, we will get the straight line. Just remember, if the power value is equal to 1, we will get straight lines. If the power value is equal to more, less than, or not equal to 1, simple, not equal to 1, we will get only non-straight line. That is called curvilinear. Curvilinear. So in our economics, so what type of shapes we will get like this? Please. Generally, you have been studied the microeconomics, right? Yeah. What type of diagrams we will get it like this? So that is the main
U-shaped
important of the
U-shaped.
statistic. Yes, please.
U-shaped.
U-shaped curve.
Yeah. What type of graphs are there? U-shaped or some shape?
Conventional curve.
Yes, please. I think you have been studied just now, just 3 hours.
Non-linear.
Hmm?
Non-linear.
Yes, no, non-linear. But in microeconomics, what are the types of you may get some graphs now, like non-linear graphs,
Yes.
non-linear graphs. But what are the topics are there? Whether it is a cost function or revenue function or market. See, in generally in our economics, microeconomics, the cost functions are always power functions. Okay, so when you have studied the cost function, you may not get straight line. Have you get any straight line curve in the cost curves?
No, sir.
No.
So except TFC, I think. Yes, TFC, there is a total fixed cost,
Fixed
which
cost.
may be access to x-axis, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Right. So remaining curves are U-shaped, right? So
Yes.
here,
Yes.
this kind of graph is called a curvilinear. Curvilinear, nothing but, see, we will get a curve, but which is not a straight line. If it is a straight line, that is called linear. If it is not a straight line, that is called curvilinear. So generally, what I want to say that the quadratic equation is not a straight line but a curve. So the quadratic equation is not a straight line, right? But a curve. We have the curve, right?
Yes.
So in the generally the cost functions, whatever we have the cost functions, we will get the non-linear curve. That is called curvilinear. Yeah. Still, anybody have the doubt regarding to this one?
No, sir.
Yeah. shall I move to the another topic, that is a cubic function?
Sorry. Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you have any doubt, let me know that. Yes, please. Hello. Yeah. So next one is in the cubic function. Cubic function. Cubic function. So what is a cubic function?
Whose
Power
power value is
value is
equal
3.
to 3.
So cubic function is the one whose power value is equal to 3. That is called cubic function. Cubic function. Okay. So for example, if you take y is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus c. Okay. Another example, if you take y is equal to 4x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay. So this is a power value is equal to 3. So we cannot bother about 2 and 1 because when the highest value is there, we should have to consider that is only. Okay. So when the highest value, we should, if it is equal to 3, that is called cubic function. If it is highest value is 2, that is called quadratic function. If it is highest is nothing but equal to 1, that is called linear, right? So you can take an example. This one, y is equal to 4x cube plus 1. So here we should know that whether what type of the diagram we will get it. So same, if x is equal to 1, y is equal to how much? 4, 1 cube plus 3x is 3, 1, sorry. Yeah, 3, 1 square plus 2 into 1 plus 1. Then you can take 4 as it is, 4. What is the 1 cube? See, 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1. 1 into 1 into 1. Nothing but 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1 only. Okay. That is 1 plus 3. So 1 square. 1 whole square nothing but 1 into 1. 1 into, see, 1 whole square is equal to 1 into 1. That is equal to 1. Okay, non-math students. So here you will get 1. Plus 2 into 1, 2 plus 1. So here 4 into 1, 4, 3 into 1, 3 plus 2 plus 1. How much will get it? Yes, please. When you
10.
had all those things, how much will get it, Amma?
10, sir.
7,
10.
10, right? So then, if x is equal to 2, y is equal to how much? Y is equal to how much? Then y is equal to 4x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. So simple, you can substitute 2. 4 to whole power 3 plus 3 whole power 2, whole power 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 1. So here 4, you can take 4 as it is. 2 power 3, 2 whole
8.
nothing but 2 into 2 into
8.
2. Okay, don't confuse them. 2 whole cube, nothing but 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8. Okay, then 8 plus 3, 2 into 2, 4 plus 2 into 2, 4 plus 1. Okay, so then here 4 into 8, 32 plus 12 plus 4 plus 1. So when you had all those things, 32 plus 12, that is 44. 44 plus 5, 49. Right? 49. Same thing you can write, you can take x is equal to 3. Y is equal to how much? Okay. So 4, 3 power 3, 3 into 3 whole square plus 2 power 3 plus 1. So you can take 4 as it is 4. 3 power 3. 3 power 3 nothing but 3 into 3 into
27.
3. Okay. So 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 27. Plus 3. 3 into 3, 9. Plus 2 into 3, 6. Plus 1. So here 4 into 27, how much will get it?
108.
108. Plus 3 into 9, 27.
18.
Plus 6 plus 1. So when you add all those things, how much we will get it, Amma? 28 plus 6, 32. 34. 34 plus 108. How much will get it? 142. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 142. So next one, if x is equal to 0 also, for example, sometimes we need to know the x is equal to 0, how much y value. Okay. So here you can write y is equal to 4x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. So here 4, 3 power 0 power 3 plus 3 square plus 2 into 0 plus 1. So here 4. So 0 power 3, how much will get it? See, 0 whole power 3, that's equal 0 into 0 into 0. 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0. Okay. So 0. Don't confuse non-mathematics people. So plus 3, as it is you can take 3. 0 into 0, 0. Plus 2 into 0, 0. Plus 1. So next 4 into 0, 0. So see 4 into 0, 0 or 0 into 4 also 0. Okay, don't confuse. So 4 into 0, 0. Plus 3 into 0, 0. Plus 0 plus 1. So when you add, you will get only 1. You will get only 1. Right? So like this, you will take minus side also. Minus side, for example. So for example, at what time this is going to close? How much time we have? Only 1 minute left. Okay. So after 1 minute, you may rejoin within 1 minute. Okay.
Yes.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Regard to this one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
Until how many y values we should find, sir?
So generally, up to 3 only you can consider, because if you consider 5 or 6, no problem, but it will take more time. But in order to know that whether the after the how we will get the line, whether it is a curvilinear or the straight line or not straight line. For sake of understanding only, I am taking only up to 3. So you may take 5 also, you may take 7 also, you may take 10 also. That doesn't matter.
Okay, sir.
So here x is equal to -1, then y is equal to how much? Okay. So here 4 into -1 whole power 3 plus 3 minus 1 whole power square 2 minus 1 plus 1.